Wow, Ideogram 1.0 suddenly surpassed Midjourney. The image generator just got even better. It draws legible inscriptions, not scribbles. Memes, advertisements, and logos look perfect. The AI understands your task in just 2 words and turns it into a detailed request. No need for VPN or Discord. The idea of using Ideogram 1.0 for text generation opens up tremendous potential for earning. Imagine, now you can create not only unique covers for videos, stylish designs for t-shirts and caps, but also generate text for various events, promotional materials, and marketing campaigns. Thanks to the improved ability to generate clear and legible inscriptions, your products will look professional and attract attention with their originality. Use Ideogram 1.0 to bring your ideas to life and start earning from your creativity. Don't limit yourself. Unleash your imagination and discover new possibilities in the world of design and marketing with this innovative tool.